let your mind when you listen to this is a different one. It's loyal, it's funny, she's kind, she's passionate, she's caring, she's far from perfect. Her heart discoveries far. She's a hard safety to grab, none by choice. It's a work in progress. It sees your dream, your silent, your pursuit, your goal. Fanny is your worst. She's powerful. She's a influencer. She's a lover and a father. She's dying a great. She's a good girl. And it has to use that doesn't exist. It's the one that thought what while listening to this video. If someone special, so you come to your mind while you listen to this, don't hesitate to let them know. Tag is in the comments and share the message with her. Let her feel appreciated for a unique quality and a positive impact she has on your life. May you be blessed. May you continue to cherish and uplift the one who need the most. To you, God bless.